Now this project will set up the solid waste management system for the council, whereby the council will be able to track the waste which is getting generated at the user level, that is at the citizens level. Then this at source segregation, what kind of percentages of segregation is within the city, how it is being collected from door to door, how much it is getting transported, and how much it is getting reached to the processing unit. The major aspect is once it reaches to the processing unit, it has to be recycled in such a way that it doesn't pile up there and it doesn't add to the current landfill. So that is a major component of this particular intervention.
And I was advised by my secretary, duty secretary, to just have a talk with them. So I said that let us have a talk with all of council members. So I have called them today to give a PowerPoint presentation to all the councillors, along with the technical team as well. So today they came here and they explained how they are working. And they are said they are working in 7 cities, it seems, all over India. One of the city in Goa is Ponda. So I want to, I had brought them to the Alpha Municipal Council, can give them opportunity to do this. And whatever funding they can be looked after by under CSR activity. There were many people who are ready to sponsor something for the municipality.
आपल्या घरादाराची पर्वा न करता, आपल्या जीवाची पर्वा न करता, आपल्या जीवाचेर उदार जाऊन या सगळ्या डॉक्टरांनी, कोविड वॉरियरांनी ह्या कोविड पॅन्डेमिकाच्या वेळार आमच्या समाजाची जी सेवा केल्या ताका नतमस्तक जावपा खातीर हो आमी प्रोग्राम आयोजीत केल्लो. ह्या 5 डॉक्टरांक आमी फेलिसिटेट केल्ले.
आमी दिलेली जी सर्वीस आसा पेशंटाक ती आमचें कर्तव्य म्हणून, आमचें काम म्हणून आमी केल्ली आसा. ताजो एक वेगळे तरेचो आमकां फेलिसिटेट करून आमचो एक आत्मविश्वास वाडयल्लो आसा तांणी.
निसर्गाचो जो बॅलन्सिंग राखच्या खातीर आज भरपूर गरमी जाता. पावस हालींच पडतय आसा, भरपूर पडलो तरी गरमी ही खूब जाता आनी गरमी जाता, वादळां जातात, खंय तरी पावसय भरपूर पडटा. हेका सगळ्याक कारणीभूत आमीच आसता, कारण आमी झाडां कापीत आसता. पण कापलेल्या झाडाच्या बदले खंय तरी एक कापले जाल्यार 1-2-3 तरी लावपाक जाय. ह्या उद्देशान ह्या मांद्रे मतदारसंघात गेली 5 वर्सां म्हणजे पयलींची 4 आनी हे म्हाका दिसता 40,000 तरी झाडां, मिनिमम 40,000 झाडां लायिल्ली आहात. ह्या वर्साय अशें ठरलां की 3,000 झाडां आनी 46 बूथ, म्हणजे एका बुथाचेर तशें म्हणजे गांवांत आमच्या केरी गांवांत 250 झाडां हाडलेलीं आहात.